In today's video, I'll show you how to access TikTok Shop. Begin by launching the TikTok application on your mobile device. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the three line at the upper right corner of your screen and select Creator Tools. If you don't see Creator Tools, go to Settings and Privacy and you should find Creator Tools there. In Creator Tools, scroll down until you see TikTok Shop for Creator or TikTok Shop for Seller. Select the appropriate option based on whether you are a creator or a seller, and fill in all the required information to sign up for TikTok Shop. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once you've followed all these steps, you should be able to access TikTok Shop using your mobile device. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.